Bad girl do bad things. I'm very good at doing them bad things. Born in 90s bad girl trend.
Usually when I wake up in the morning, I make sure to say my prayer to get ready for the day. Good morning. Good morning, little gang. It's Saturday. It's about 8 something. Yeah, let me go get ready because I sound like a fucking man. Hey you guys, so today is Saturday. I'm about to get ready for more clients. I'm about to make breakfast and call it a day. We've been walking like 20 minutes now. This is my exercise for the day and that's it.
I believe him, man. You jump. Yes, yes, yes. She's ready. She's on her way. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ready?
Sally.
Go!
Go! Yes.
A bad bitch that's loyal, that's a different pleasure.
Hey guys, so LEC left since this morning and I literally had to cancel all my appointments, but I was in the middle of doing my eyebrows 10-10 as you can see. Yeah, I had to like stop because I didn't want it to get too dark. Now we're just gonna wait for LEC. Yeah. Good morning guys, we're going to church today. You already know it's Eugene and Sam. We're going to church, period. Guys, one of my clients got me a gift for missing her appointment, but she bought me a gift. Oh my god, so lit. Walk in front of him again. Let's go. Let's go. Slow mo. Slow mo. Oh. Good morning, guys. It's your girl, Bellz Lulu. It's Monday. I gotta get my hair done. Oh my god. I feel like this hair will be on my head for like a whole year. Nah, I gotta get my hair done this weekend. I plan to go out this weekend too. I have to like get my calendar together to see who's coming over today for services. But yeah, I'm out of breath because I was just doing some videos for Instagram. And make sure to follow us on Instagram. IG is Rich Body Liberia. My personal Instagram is Bellz2Lulu. Let's get into the video. So yesterday was Sunday. I was not supposed to work because my day off is on Sunday. But my clients really needed me yesterday, and you know, customer service is the best, so I have to serve them. I had about 3 clients. It was supposed to be about 4, I think 5 or 4, but 3 show up. That's cool, that's good enough. I was tired, not gonna lie, but Sundays is normally not my days to work. Hey guys, good morning. Today's Tuesday, and I pray to get my hair done hopefully this weekend or tomorrow. Yeah. So yeah, I'm turning the gas stoves, the gas off. I think I did it. So you guys, so we at 107.9 FM. We're gonna like about to do a radio interview.
This is the People Station. High FM 179. We transmit to you. So who is Bellz Lulu?
Well, Bellz Lulu. You don't know what they said?
What?
I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah.
This is the first time we in the car. You notice it,
The first time we in the car and what?
and you're not playing music.
Oh, yeah, man. We're having a good conversation. There's no need for music.
Yeah, the conversation is lit. Okay.
Yeah, fuck music right now. We're talking about
We're going to his photo shoot.
photo shoot.
Okay, period.
Self-information coming out soon. Just stay tuned. Don't fuck around.
Okay,
I talk
period.
that shit. If you
Okay.
want to hear that real shit, trust me. Listen to self-information when it come out. I talk that shit.
Dove CSE YouTube channel. Dove CSE. Hey you guys, we're in City Hall in LEC Way. That's dub lights. The newest artist on the block. This is a radio TV station, y'all. It's so dope. Isn't it like a gangsta type of vibe?
Yeah, and you need to be a gangster for real.
Yeah.
Because most of the gangster rapper is only about maintaining himself.
Yeah.
But that's my boy. You know me and he grew up together. Yeah.
Like Pequeno.
Never.
Into City Hall. This is the vice president, right? And that's the president. Is it? This is the mayor of Liberia? Of Monrovia.
And this is the City Hall view.
City. Oh wow.
This is Broad Street.
I love Broad Street. That's the only place I know.
Bad place.
Hey y'all, this is MCC TV, the pride of Monrovia. I just met the producer. We out. Oh yeah. Oh, so you're trying to put like the pictures all over the city wall. This is the City Hall of Monrovia. Let's go. Good morning, you guys. So today is Thursday and I decided that today I'm gonna wax myself.
They're probably nice though. I'm up for it. My love. Nice to meet you. Give me a hug. Nice to meet you. I'm so sorry about the time limit. Oh my god, you're so sweet. You're not from Philly. No. Bitch, fuck Philadelphia bitches. No, they figure it out.
No, you phone over here.
Oh!
Move your phone.
That's it, pick the wheel.
Yeah, pick it up.
Y'all looking for a
Move
weed?
your phone.
So you guys, the next morning we had no running water. We had to use the plastic water, put it in a bucket with hot water to actually take bath. It was really, really annoying, but it was fun. Ooh, so cute, y'all. I'm getting my hair done. Gang, going out, yay. You guys, we're going out. We're going to the club. This is Heaven Lounge.
Yo.
I don't call it heaven.
Yo, can you sit back so I can see the river, man? Hello?
I don't call it heaven. I call it haven because you're not going to play with God. And I'm not going to call it heaven. That's just a period. And I'm Bellz Lulu. I can do that. You guys, we made it to heaven. And I'm going to show y'all around. So this is the front part of Haven. It's actually called Heaven, but I'm calling it Haven. It's really beautiful. And then when you come around, you come upstairs, this is the stage area. And of course, this is me, y'all. We in heaven. We're chilling in heaven. That's so curious. Yeah. We're not here for Philly style. Philly all day, period. I'm trying so hard to have fun, y'all, because it's not my fun. So this is why you don't play with God. It started to rain really bad and the thunderstorm was crazy. Everybody was leaving. So we were looking back because we heard things falling off and stuff was breaking. You guys, it was thundering out there and yeah, it was scary. This shit whack. It's not my type of party. I know it's gonna be lit, but it's whack. That's Tootie. This is Tootie. And Yana. While I was dancing, Haji really interrupted me to take a video of him and his friend while they're dancing. So here I am, hyping them up, recording the video. It was so hilarious. So you guys, it's about 3 o'clock in the morning and we're still out. But we're chilling though. We're just chilling, me and my bro. It's all about work right now. We're chilling. Yes, hey guys, so we just got home. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. Let's go to bed. Let's go. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed.